Let's eat. Hey everyone, and welcome to Cooking Incognito. Today on the menu, we're going to be making 2 ingredient brownies. So if you're excited for this video, then stick around. Alright, so the ingredients you're going to need are 3 large eggs and 1.5 cups of Nutella. So let's get started. Grab your large bowl and you're going to crack open your 3 large eggs and put them inside your bowl. And then you're going to add in your Nutella. Now, what I encourage you to do is whisk up your eggs with a fork or whisk before adding the Nutella. It just makes it easier to blend up both ingredients together. Alright, so we're going to be making donut brownies. So go ahead and grab your donut pan if you have one. If you don't, you can use a cupcake pan or a regular cake pan or even a bundt pan. It's up to you. And I'm using a measuring cup so I don't make a big mess and I can pour out as much as I need. So go ahead and pour in your batter in your donut pan. And these pans are so fun to use. So if you do want to grab one, you can go to Walmart, Bed Bath & Beyond, Target, online. I think this brand is by Tasty. I have to check and see, but they're pretty cool pans and you can make donuts using any type of batter. So go ahead and fill up those donut holes and we're going to go to the next step. Alright, we're going to put our pan in the oven on 350 for about 20 to 25 minutes. Be sure to let your brownies cool for about 15 to 20 minutes before eating. These smell so delicious and they look delicious. And just for me using Nutella and egg, they smell just like normal brownies, y'all. Alright, it's time to take these babies out of the pan and plate them up and top them with some yummy goodness. Now for the warm, yummy caramel on top. They look good and y'all, they taste delicious. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe and come back for more yummy videos.